In this video, we'll explore 10 morning habits of highly successful people that can boost your productivity, enhance your well-being, and set you up for success. Let's get started. 1. Wake up early. Start your day early to get a head start on important tasks. 2. Hydrate immediately. Drink water right after waking up to kickstart your metabolism and hydrate your body. 3. Exercise. Engage in physical activity to energize yourself and improve mental clarity. LiveGood tip. Check out LiveGood's range of health supplements that can complement your workout routine and boost your energy levels. 4. Meditation or mindfulness. Practice mindfulness to reduce stress and increase focus. 5. Healthy breakfast. Eat a nutritious breakfast to fuel your body and brain. LiveGood tip. Incorporate LiveGood's organic superfood products into your breakfast for an extra nutritional boost. 6. Set daily goals. Write down specific, achievable goals for the day to stay focused and productive. 7. Read or learn something new. Dedicate time to reading or learning to foster personal growth. 8. Plan and prioritize. Review your schedule and prioritize tasks to tackle important activities first. 9. Positive affirmations. Practice positive affirmations to boost self-confidence and set a positive tone. 10. Limit screen time. Avoid checking social media and emails immediately after waking up to maintain focus. And there you have it, 10 morning habits of highly successful people that you can start incorporating into your routine today. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about gradually building habits that lead to a more productive and fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Also, check out the link in the description to explore LiveGood's range of health products to support your morning routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This video is for educational purposes and is not medical or financial advice.